Here we go, the 8th unlocked character of Resident Evil 5 Mercenaries. This is by far my favorite character of all, Sheva in her tribal outfit. She has the most awesome weapon, bow arrow, longbow. One shot, one kill, of course, and she has this skinny outfit that she has on that makes her look really, really great. Okay, so let's play. Also, she runs quite a bit faster too in this outfit. I don't know if I'm imagining or not. So, light weapon. So, all right. So we carry all. We try to pick up all the items first. Along the way, we could do the one-shot, one-kill thing. Hopefully, I can keep my combos alive. And my previous high score is from this character. So hopefully, I could set a new career high. It was like 90 something thousand. So alright, let's play on. And then go. And I think she also has a grenade launcher in this outfit, but it doesn't show there that she's carrying one. So alright, and then we're gonna get another combo bonus. Okay. One shot, one kill. Now the only issue with this is I'm still trying to get used to it, is the longbow. It does not have a laser gun, like doesn't have a laser eyesight, unlike firearms. So your aiming is purely up to your skills and your eyesight to see how the accuracy is. Okay, as you see right here. Okay, this one. Oh, I missed again. Okay, the third time I got it. It's kind of a try and error when the enemy distance is far away. So, oh, that little bang, that's the executioner. Just shows up. So, alright, pick up a landmine. Okay, I can hear the Mercenaries are following me right now. And ooh, nice move, Sheva. Got a little hesitant. I just want you to take a look at Sheva. Alright, let's see here. Two Mercenaries. Gotta be quick before they grab me. Ooh, And I think actually Sheva is by far my favorite Resident Evil character. Even better than Ada Wong and Jill Valentine. Alright, we're just about done with all the time bonuses. Okay. And then we're ready to party, the carnage. One more to go. I should have a little over 5 minutes for the carnage. Alright. Okay, get the chicken. That's 2,000 points right there. Wait, how did I do that? Gosh, stupid me. I should just use the bow arrow instead of the 5-bomb grenade. That broke my combo. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not doing much melee kills right now unless they just fall down and do it. Who just hit me? Oh, okay, here comes the executioner. Oh, nice dodging move. Yeah, the aiming, it takes a little get used to. I'm still not very proficient at that yet. See, I aim. I miss again. This time it's not. Okay, so far I think this run is okay. So far. The aiming of this it just takes some skill. Oh, come on, let go of me, you pervert! Stop grabbing me from behind. bow arrow. Just like it to see when the arrow just shoot right through them. Oh god. Okay, stop grabbing me again. For some reason, this Mercenaries, there are a lot of perverts in here. Always try to get the hands on the perfect Sheva. Come on, I don't like tongue. What tongue monster? Oh gosh. Miss again. Don't miss. Upset, miss again. Ouch. Ouch. That hurts. Whoa. Okay, pick up the nitrogen shells. Nitrogen grenade, whatever. That is for the grenade launcher. It's called freeze bombs or something, and I'll show you in a little bit if I get around in the right circumstances. Yeah, they give great melee kills. Basically, they just freeze up the Mercenaries, and for melee kills, get 5 extra seconds per kill. Alright, there are a whole bunch of them here. Grenade is toss it too far too. Alright, this one is not doing too well right now. Kinda crazy, I missed. Come on, got it. Oh, I got grabbed it. Oh, another thing is that with the bow arrow, you have unlimited arrows, so you don't have to worry about picking up ammo. So the beauty of this weapon, it's just awesome. Reminds me of Lara Croft of Tomb Raider. So, okay, that is a freeze bomb. You basically freeze them up, and then you do your melee attack. Oh gosh, I forgot. Oh, never mind. I meant to pick up the nitrogen, whatever nitrogen. Alright, get out, Sheva. Good. Oh shit! Coming. Oh. Wow, lucky me. He only did one swing. Oh no, he's got more. Get out. Okay, shit. Oh. Ouch!
I'm in the field of operations. I'll be there soon.
Ugly. Alright. I need some extra time, so do the freeze bomb, the melee. Got 15 seconds out of there. Okay, come on. Ooh. 5 seconds.
I'm in the field of operations.
5 seconds. So if you could kill, if you could kick like all 3 or 4 at the same time in one kick, so you get like 15 to 20 seconds extra. So that's why I love this character.
My ETA is 30 seconds.
Oh my god, okay, here we go. Did I get both of them or just one? No, I get both of this.
My
10 seconds right
ETA is 30
there.
seconds. My ETA is 30 seconds.
Gee, come on. Oh man, don't die on me now. Come on. Oh. Lucky. Oh, I come close to that. Oh, good. We got this executioner. Come on. Oh.
Believe it. You did that without any support.
Oh yeah, I did without any support. Okay, wait, I didn't see one. Oh, whoa! 115,000 points, 117 kills, and impressive 47 combos. Yay. So, okay. So this is my all-time career high right now.